Hello everybody, today we'll do the yoga position and how to do it. I will show you now. So let's start. We'll get started from exercise, taking this leg on another and start sitting and up. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's sit and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And after that, try catch our leg and try pushing more with strong back. So we'll lose your position. You try relax, right? Breathe out and take legs more for yourself and breathe. So after that, when you feel good, you can slowly push your back on the floor and try take this is leg, which I take my hand more for yourself. So like that. Good work. Take the legs together. Take breathe and slowly breathe out and try go down and take it more and more. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you like it, follow me and write me good comments. So bye bye.